For this video, I'm going to test out these pens with this Z Fold 7 to see if they work. I don't expect them to work as good as my S Pen and have all the features it does with my Samsung tablet, but I'm hoping that I can do the basics like being able to write and use some of the Samsung Note features with the S Pen. So I bought this pack. It was about $11. I'll put the full price up on the screen and the link in the description. I found these off Amazon. It's a pack of 6. Oh, one got stuck. I'm going to go with this color. Nice and smooth. Test out the notes. Wow. If your palm's touching, it won't write. So you got to be careful. It doesn't have the button to erase easy, which I'll have to switch back and forth, which isn't that big of a deal. Just an S Pen feature I like. And I got to be careful not to touch the screen. It does write nicer than the last pen I tested out. I think it will take some getting used to. Let's make it bigger and try on the bigger screen. No, it's messy. It's hard to, because I can't touch it with my palm. If I wanted to draw, you can draw. Let's do watercolor. That's funny. So I wanted to write a quick grocery list. Oh, this is much smoother. Writing with this. I like this end over this end. But it works if you're looking for a pen to work with your Z Fold 7.